Navigating difficult family relationships is one of the hardest parts of life. Family members are close to us, so their words and actions affect us deeply. When there is anger, misunderstanding, control, or emotional pain in the family, it can disturb our peace of mind. Buddhist wisdom offers gentle and practical guidance on how to face these challenges with compassion, patience, and inner peace. It does not tell us to escape family life, but to understand it wisely. In Buddhism, suffering is a natural part of life. The Buddha taught that suffering comes from attachment, craving, and ignorance. In family relationships, we often suffer because we expect others to behave in a certain way. We want love, respect, appreciation, or obedience. When these expectations are not met, we feel hurt or angry. Buddhist wisdom invites us to first see this truth honestly. Instead of blaming others, we look inside and recognize our own expectations and attachments. One important Buddhist teaching is mindfulness. Mindfulness means being aware of what is happening in the present moment without judgment. In difficult family situations, mindfulness helps us notice our thoughts, emotions, and reactions. For example, when a family member says something hurtful, our first reaction may be anger or sadness. Mindfulness allows us to pause and observe these feelings instead of reacting immediately. This pause creates space for wise action instead of harmful words. Another key teaching is compassion. Compassion means wishing that others be free from suffering. The Buddha taught that everyone acts based on their own pain, fears, and conditioning. When a parent is controlling, a sibling is jealous, or a relative is harsh, their behavior often comes from their own unresolved suffering. This does not mean we accept harmful behavior, but it helps us understand it. Understanding softens the heart and reduces hatred. Buddhist wisdom also teaches loving kindness, known as metta. Loving kindness is the practice of sending good wishes to ourselves and others. In difficult family relationships, this practice can be very powerful. We begin by wishing ourselves peace and safety. Then we extend these wishes to neutral people, and finally to difficult family members. Even if it feels fake at first, repeated practice slowly changes the heart. We may not change the other person, but we change how their actions affect us. A common source of family conflict is the need to be right. We want our opinions to be accepted and our feelings to be validated. Buddhism teaches humility and non-ego. The ego wants to win arguments, but wisdom seeks peace. Sometimes letting go of the need to be right is more beneficial than proving a point. This does not mean we suppress our truth, but we choose when and how to express it skillfully. The Buddha emphasized right speech. Right speech means speaking truthfully, kindly, and at the right time. In family situations, words spoken in anger can leave deep wounds. Before speaking, we can ask ourselves, is this true? Is this kind? Is this helpful?